It's XL Pace here, playing some Madden Mobile, and today we're going to be opening a campus upgrade pack. I don't know if it's like a pro pack or something, but I know that it's gonna give me something. I hope it's like a pro pack or something. It's a collectible pack. No, I got 80 middle linebacker. Let me go look at these sets. So it gives you a guaranteed gold campus player, I'm guessing. Some players, pretty sure. Yeah. So I can get a campus transfer pack or a campus legend pack, which I'm not going to complete the campus legend pack, so let's go for the transfer pack. The new Adrian Peterson and Sean Lee just dropped. I don't know when, but they're looking nice. I looked for how much Mike Neal would go for, because I pulled him. Right here. 97 speed, 92 strength, 97 agility, 95 acceleration, 90 awareness, 73 catch, 93 carry, 96 looseness, 94 ball carry vision. That is an amazing card. And Adrian Peterson in real life, he's an amazing running back. He can only truck defenders off him. He can run past them and blow their shoes off. But yeah. These are all the 99s. Michael Crabtree, amazing card right there. Steve Smith Sr. I think that stands for. Amazing card right there. 97 speed. I'm not gonna be at 97 speed. That's an amazing card right there. Night Train Lane. Amazing card right there. 99 zone coverage. That's insane. 99 Von. One of the best cards in the game, in my opinion, because I love him. I love Von Miller in real life. Tim Tebow, hate him. Antonio Cromartie, love him. Yeah. Oh yeah, Jadeveon Clowney. If you guys don't know, I like to watch college football, and in one of the games he tackled. It was either a wide receiver or a running back, and his helmet flew off, and he forced a fumble. It was insane. Mean Joe Green, amazing card right there. John Randall, he had a card. Yeah, these are all the best cards in the game. There's some pretty nice 98s. Giants players. Lawrence Taylor, LT, amazing. Michael Strahan, amazing. Eli Manning, he's okay. Not the best quarterback, but he's okay. Friends of Cowboys fans, see how many 98s he has. A lot, probably. Darren McFadden, amazing card right there. 98 does, 99 does. 98, Emmitt Smith. Emmitt Smith was a baller. I think they should make a 99 Cam Newton. Because Cam Newton deserves it. It's not how you spell Newton. Newton. His 90. His 84. Oh yeah, I forgot about his 92. But let's look at his stats. 88 speed, 83 strength, 90 agility, 89 acceleration, 85 awareness, 94 throw power, 83 accuracy short, 87 accuracy mid, and 78 accuracy deep. So he's not really a passing quarterback, but he can truck the field. Chuck the ball, I mean, not the field. What else? Nothing really. Right now, I'm working on getting either right here for the dime, either a safety or a cornerback right there. Daquan Jones, I pulled him from a pro pack. That was insane. Trey Boston. I don't remember how I got him, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys watch my other videos and support my channel. Peace out, guys.